What's up, gentlemen? What's your name?
Eli.
Eli, nice to meet you.
Good to meet you. I'm Garrett.
Garrett, nice to meet you. Yes,
Surron
Steve, jacuzzi surfer.
Hey, awesome. Pleasure meeting you in person.
Fired up, you made it, dude. It's so cool.
Hell yeah, thanks for getting this all organized. This is fun. It's cool to see all the e-bikes out. I've never seen a Kuberg in person. It's beautiful. But I only got the slicks on, so I'm gonna be taking a little easy. I also don't have a front brake right now, so. Matt, nice to meet you. Yeah.
Wheelies, bro.
Appreciate that. Are you rocking 15 inches?
No, these are 20s.
Well, how are these 17 then?
So I guess yours is a moto rim and mine's a bike rim? Yep. Yeah.
That must be it. I want small wheels like that. I like the look of those.
Oh, it turns really quick too.
Yeah, that's sick.
Excuse me, would you mind taking a photo of us all? Look at that. Hey, fix your parking up, Mark. What is that? You're at a different angle, bro.
I swear I'll do better. Here we have our assistant photo.
I'll take that one.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's get it! We out here, son! Haha! Ooh, man down. Wow.
How the tires holding up?
They're holding up great.
Sweet.
It's the first time I've off-roaded in like a year and I'm having a blast. This is a cool spot too. Hey, we got another homie over here.
Oh,
Yeah.
We already had one thing.
Oh, that's a
Do
shame.
you have like anything in your tube?
Probably. I have extra tubes and stuff.
Because I have a pump if you need it.
Yeah. No, I got it. 97.
Mine's zipped up.
What are the chances? Go on without me.
Oh my gosh.
That was good.
I have a tool, I just don't know if I have the right links.
Yeah. All right.
Maybe Steve's got a chance. Oh, he's on like right now, if I want to slide, I'll lay the bike.
Right. Haha, I got you, I got you. I guarantee you I'm gonna fall. Does that look cool?
This green button's regen. So
Okay.
it's kind of like an engine brake.
Yeah.
Wow. Cool.
Yeah.
Can I put the seat up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Seat up right here.
You know,
Wow! Ooh, good size too. And it's the same brakes as the Surron. This is my rear brake.
Rear brake, front brake, yeah.
Beautiful. Okay. Whoa! Holy shit! Oh my god! Wait, I can't even. Holy shit, man! Oh my god, I couldn't even go past half throttle.
Right?
Wow. That is so fun. That was so fun, bro.
That's it.
Yo, on the slicks too. Yo, hit that shit again. Yeah, boy. You good, bro?
I think this was you.
Oh shit. That is exactly me.
You rattled loose.
Thank you very much.
No worries, man.
Ah, fuck. I think Parker said he had some zip ties. I might have to boof him off him. Shit, thanks for that, bro.
No worries, man.
Lost my pump.
Oh no!
Could I snag the zip ties you were talking about? Parker, no! Let's get it on the slicks! Let's fucking go! Dude, these slicks are killing it, bro. Wow! Oh god. Sick. Damn, bro. Thanks for coming out though.
Appreciate you guys. Nice meeting you all. Seeing you. Enjoy the rest of the ride.
Oh my god. Woo! Let's get it. Yeah, I didn't see we were going downhill. So far, so good. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, fuck this.
Killing it. You're doing great, man.
Oh my god!
All right. Mind if I do?
Throw it on for you.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yo, Kuberg! This is my first time wheeling in this bike. You guys gotta sponsor my ass. I should have asked you if I could wheelie it.
No. I know you got it.
That was my first time trying
I
it.
know, GG.
This thing's a wheelie machine.
That's good.
Yeah,